SMD components packages, sizes, and part markings. Package types. SMD components come in various package types, including chip resistors and capacitors. These are typically rectangular in shape with sizes ranging from 0 to 0.1 to larger sizes like 2512. Small outline transistor commonly used for transistors and ICs. These are compact and flat, with varying pin configurations. QFN, quad flat no leads. These have no leads and a large thermal pad underneath, used for ICs requiring good heat dissipation and compact size. BGA, ball grid array found in ICs. These have solder balls underneath for electrical connections, suitable for high pin count devices. Small outline integrated circuit used for ICs. These have pins on two opposite sides, with narrow and wide body variants. Standardization. Package sizes are standardized to ensure compatibility across different manufacturers and assembly processes. Common standards include EIA, Electronic Industries Alliance, and JEDEC, Joint Electron Device Engineering Council. Component size classification. SMD components are classified based on their dimensions. For instance, 01005, very small size. 0201, 0402, 0603, 0805, 1206. Larger sizes include 1210 and 1812 among others. Advantages of SMD. SMD components offer several advantages over through-hole components, including smaller size, lighter weight, higher component density, and improved electrical performance, lower parasitic inductance and capacitance. Part markings. SMD components are marked with alphanumeric codes that indicate their specifications. Common markings include part number, manufacturer-specific code or standard code, example, EIA 96 for resistors, EIA 481 for capacitors. Resistance value. For resistors, this is often indicated directly on the component, example 103 for 10 kΩ. Capacitance value. For capacitors, markings denote capacitance in PF, picofarads, or NF, nanofarads. Tolerance indicates the permissible deviation from the nominal value, example plus or minus 5%. Voltage rating, maximum voltage the component can withstand. Package code identifies the package size and type. Component orientation. Many SMD components are symmetric and can be mounted in any orientation. However, polarity-sensitive components like diodes and electrolytic capacitors must be oriented correctly to function properly. Manufacturing considerations. The size and shape of SMD packages influence the assembly process. Automated pick-and-place machines are calibrated to handle different sizes and shapes of components accurately. Handling and storage. SMD components are sensitive to moisture and ESD. They are typically shipped in sealed packaging with desiccants and should be stored in controlled environments to prevent damage. Component integration. Advances in miniaturization have led to integrated passive components, example, RC networks, filters, and active components, example, transistors, ICs, within smaller packages, enhancing functionality and reducing PCB footprint.